Hey guys, welcome back. Let's prepare and blow dry my hair using the Donna's Recipe Blow Dry and Heat Protectant Spray. As you can see, it has a very nice spray on it. Now I'm going to take my Dyson Supersonic dryer directly to the hair and begin blow drying it. Now this blow dries my hair very quickly, which I appreciate because it can literally take a 20-minute blow dryer job and cut it in half. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and go through my hair with the dryer, and in a moment you'll see I'll take the comb and I'll section the hair as well and just go through and blow dry it in smaller sections. I like to get my roots as straight as possible because I'm preparing my hair for a twist out. It sure makes me happy to be able to get through this hair as quickly as possible. Now taking my Creole Essence Haitian Black Castor Oil directly to the scalp to moisturize the scalp. I am parting it in sections and will continue applying the hair oil. And at the end, I'll give it a nice massage. The process is all done. Tying it into a small bun, I'm going to apply my bonnet, and now it's time to say goodnight.